In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Facebook or Instagram ads directly to your WhatsApp business. This is going to help you make more sales for your business and also help you retain more customers. Now, why should you run WhatsApp ads? The first reason is that an average Nigerian opens their WhatsApp 20 to 30 times every day. That means as you're watching this video, your customer is likely on WhatsApp replying to a message or viewing their friend's status. The second reason is that if your customer is satisfied with your order, they will save your number and you can easily remarket to them using either a broadcast list or your status. You cannot call someone your customer unless they buy at least 2 to 3 times from you. Lastly, WhatsApp ads are cheaper, especially in this part of the world. What do you need to make your WhatsApp ads successful? Number one, you need a product that you are selling. This is very obvious. Whether you are selling handbags, you are selling perfumes, whatever you sell, make sure you have a product that you are selling. Number two, you need to have an offer to back that product. It could be buy two, get one for free, free shipping, extra gift that comes with the product they buy. Just make sure you have an offer to back that product you are selling. And lastly, make sure you have a clear and decent photo of whatever you are selling. You need to understand that one of the things that will make your ads successful is your product presentation. So let's get into the main dish of the day. Let me show you how to run your ads. First thing you want to do is to visit business.facebook.com. This is the business Facebook manager where you can directly run all your Instagram and Facebook ads from. So if you don't have a business manager account, I'm going to leave a link to the description of this video to show you how to create and verify your business manager account. Once you are here, you have to come here, click on All Tools, come to Ads Manager. So I'll click on Create. First thing you want to do is to choose a campaign objective. There are different kinds of campaign objectives. Well, we're looking to drive sales. We're going to drive sales conversations to our WhatsApp business. So we are going to select sales. You want to select sales. Scroll down. Click on Continue. Also click on Manual Sales Campaign. Click on Continue. The first thing you want to do is to name your campaign. Give it a name. Could be new bags. Let's just assume I'm selling bags. New bags, January. Naming ads helps you understand what your advert is about, especially if you are running multiple campaigns, at least 5 to 10 ads at a time. So once you've given it the name you want, leave every other thing, just let it be. Click on Next, or you can come here, but I like to come here, click on Next. This is the asset. The first thing you want to do is to give your asset a name. Personally, I like to name my asset and give it a location. Let's say maybe I'm going to target Lagos, just give it a location. And also name the assets, because you can have multiple assets under an advert. So make sure you give it a name. Asset 1, targeting Lagos. That's how I name my campaigns. Now, conversions. This is where you are going to choose where you want to drive sales. We have the website, we have the app, we have the website and app. Remember, we are sending traffic to messaging apps, which is WhatsApp. So we are going to select messaging apps. It's already selected. Select messaging apps. You are going to drive traffic to your WhatsApp. Scroll up. You are going to choose a page for this advert. If you have multiple pages, just come here. You're going to see a lot of pages. You have multiple pages. Select the one you want to use. I'm using my Facebook page, Peter Ayo. Also come here, messaging apps. Choose at least one destination where you are available to chat. You can select multiple apps to reach more people. Now, since you are sending this advert to WhatsApp alone, you are going to select WhatsApp and then unselect this messenger. We are selecting WhatsApp alone. You need to understand that for you to send traffic to WhatsApp, that means you might have connected your WhatsApp to your Facebook page. Make sure you connect your WhatsApp business to your Facebook page, to a particular Facebook page you are going to be using to run ads. Don't forget to do that. I have a video showing you how to do this, so I'll also leave the link to the video in the description of this video. Make sure you watch that video as well. So once you've done that, you want to scroll down to performance goal. Performance goal. If you toggle on this icon, you are going to see a notification. Performance goal is how you measure success for your ads. For example, if your goal is to maximize the volume of purchases and you want your leverage CPA to be about $5, Meta will look for the best opportunities to reach that goal. Now, if you click on here, you are going to see different conversion goals, but I want you to select maximum number of conversions. We'll try to deliver your ad to the right people to help you get the most website conversions. That's what you want. You want sales. You don't want maximum number of link clicks. You don't want maximum daily unique reach. You don't want maximum number of impressions. All those things don't matter. What you need is conversions, which is sales. So leave it at maximum number of conversions. Now let's talk about budgets. Now we have daily budget and we also have lifetime budget. Now I advise that you leave your budget on daily budget. You can start with as low as 3,000 naira per day. You can choose to run your ads for like 5,000 naira per day. Whatever works for you. Make sure you use a budget that can give you the kind of results you're looking for. Now schedule. Now I like to start my adverts the next day by 7 o'clock. That's because Facebook is going to give you enough time. You are going to give Facebook enough time to test your ad creative and also test your audience and determine the right people they can show your advert to. So make sure you start your adverts the next day, 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'll come here. Make sure it's 7 a.m. Now, this is for you. You want to choose an end date. For me, I like to keep my ads running. As far as it's bringing in money, there's no need to stop your adverts. Make sure you keep your ads running. So I'll leave that aside. Ignore this. Run your ads all the time. That's right. Scroll down. Advantage plus audience. This is 2024. Facebook has a new feature where it can help you target your audience. Now, I want you to understand that this feature is still on the testing phase. So you want to ignore that. All you need to do is to click on switch to original audience options. And then scroll up a little bit. Come here, click on edit. What location do you want to target? Let's say I want to target Lagos. Always select the city, Lagos State, Nigeria city. You also come here, click on age, select the age limit. I believe that the people who have the purchasing power are people from 25 up to maybe 40. Depending on the kind of product you are selling. So I believe you know your product, you know your target audience, you know the age range of your target audience. So these are the things you need to understand for your product. Gender, is it female, is it male, is it both genders, whatever is appealing to your product. Now, detailed targeting. This is where you are going to insert the interest of what your advert is about. Let's say you are selling fashion products. We can come here and type fashion. Fashion accessories. If you want me to create a video, on how you can target your audience on Instagram or Facebook, just drop a comment and I'll help you create that video. Meanwhile, if you are enjoying this video, please help me like this video so that YouTube will show it to more business owners like you. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please also drop it in the comment section. So let's continue. Now, placements. There are two options here. You can use the advantage placement, and Facebook is telling you that it's recommended. Please don't do that unless you are running a retargeting campaign. You want to select manual placement. Manual placement gives you control on where you can show your adverts. Gives you control on where you can show your advert. And since you are running this campaign on Facebook and Instagram, you want to select this one, Audience Network. So once you are done, click on Next. Now this is where you set up everything about your advert. So the first thing you want to do is to name your ad. I'm going to just name ad 1. Ad 1. Then carousel. There is no particular room to name your ads. Just stick with what works for you. Again, they are going to ask you the identity of the Facebook page. I'm going to select Peter Ayo and then Instagram. Portrait Cave. Select your Instagram account. Understand that you also need to link your Instagram account to your Facebook page. So when it comes to ad setup, there are two ways you can set up your adverts. Is either you create the adverts here or you use an existing post. I always recommend that you use an existing post. That means before you even plan to set up your WhatsApp adverts, make sure that you've made a post on your Instagram page with what you are trying to sell. Take for instance, if I'm selling bags, I'm going to make sure that I create a photo carousel of all the bags I'm selling and make a post on Instagram. Each of those photos are going to have the name of the bag, the price of the bag, and a clear instruction on how they can order that product. You want to do this because you don't want people to come into your DM and start asking you, how much is this bag? This is the bag I want to order. How do I order? Make sure that your caption on your Instagram contains details on how they can order for that product. So I'm going to select use existing post. Now, once you select existing post, I'm going to tell you multi-advertiser ads recommended. You want to unselect this. Facebook is going to show your adverts alongside other people's ads. I've never clicked on that kind of ads. It's going to be distracting. So just unselect this. Now let's look at the ad creative. Select the media and text for your ad. You can also customize your media and text for each placement. First thing you want to do is to select, click on select. Now when you click on select, you're going to see your Facebook and Instagram posts here. All of them will be here. See, Facebook posts are here, Instagram posts are here. You want to come on Instagram, select a post on Instagram and click on continue. As you can see, post is already selected here. If you come here, you're going to see the caption. Everything is on the caption. Make sure you include every instruction and every detail about what you are selling on your post caption. It is very, very important. So you're going to scroll down. Call to action, very important. Call to action. You're going to leave it at send WhatsApp message because we want people to click and send you a message on WhatsApp. We want people to click and send you a message on WhatsApp. Suggest this moderation. Don't worry about that. Scroll down. So you're going to come here. So this is the ad preview. This is where you're going to see how your ads looks on different platforms across Facebook and Instagram. So if you come here, this is the Facebook feed. You come here, Instagram feed, you're going to select that. This is how it's going to look on Instagram. If you come here, Instagram profile feed, this is how it's going to look like. If you come here, Facebook Marketplace, this is how your advert is going to look like. If you come here, Facebook video feeds, this is how your advert is going to look like. If you come here, Instagram Explore. If you want to see an advanced preview, just click on Advanced. You're going to see everything here, including your stories and reels, how they look like on different profiles and different platforms. So once you've seen all these and you're comfortable with what you see, next thing you want to do is to click on Publish. I want you to understand that it takes a while for Facebook to understand your adverts and understand the audience they are trying to reach. So you want to give your adverts at least 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours for you to get your winning advert. Also, you need to understand that you have to test more than one advert. So what you want to do is to come here, click on Duplicate, select Original Campaign, click on Duplicate, select the copy. I'm going to name the ad. Maybe you can say image or carousel too. Once you do that, you want to come here, click on Change Posts, go to Instagram, and click on another post. And that's it. Click on Publish. You want to test different ad creative. You cannot bank your hope on one ad creative. You want to give Facebook a lot of options to optimize and find your winning ads. And whenever you find your winning ads, you can turn off the other ads. Make sure the other one is running. If you have any question, please help me. Drop a comment and I'll answer your question. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every Thursday, I drop new videos. See you in the next one.